We're gonna look back on all these videos, and I've been thinking about when it started. Was that day you pulled out the cell phone?
Oh yeah.
When we went on the ride and
we made it. We made how many? 2,000, 3,000 miles?
8,000.
8,000 miles, and it rained on us, and we're dirty no more. So.
Yeah. 8,000 miles. And
yeah.
we're dirty no more.
Yeah.
Hello, this is Crazy Bear.
And this is Rob. Today we're spending an afternoon up in the Sandia Mountain range, the foothills actually, and we're going to go visit a place called the Sandia Man Cave. It is right above here. Yep, right there. And we're going to just show you a neat little place that has some history in the area. Hope you enjoy follow us on this lovely afternoon.
Stay with us.
So, half a mile to the cave entrance. Huh?
The sun is up and I know a place we can go. Far away, it's not far at all. Oh, you can see the mountains and hold the clouds in your hand. And we'll dance in the light as if no one's really there. I feel the sun on my skin.
So this trail is about, what did the sign say? 3/4 of a mile? Half.
Half a mile.
It's a half mile, so we're gonna go check this place out. Pretty excited. How you doing, Honk?
I'm making it.
I can see the winding roads up ahead. Blurred in colors flood my head.
Looks like they got quite a bit of snow up here.
Yeah.
I hear the wandering streams and the song of the birds. Seems like a moment in time.
I'll follow you for a little bit, so I can get your backside. Shake it like you mean
I
it.
feel the sun in my skin, the wind in my hair. I know we're driving but we're going nowhere. So hold me real close.
That's a good shot.
Keep me warm. The day's begun and I'm already on fire.
Look at that view. This is my gimbal.
Oh, I see. Well, the thing is, I'll get a rubber band for this guy. Mine rattles.
Well, I'm right here next to the microphone, and I'm. So you're gonna have to.
It's the Crazy Bear rasp.
The sound effects from Crazy Bear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to edit that out anyway. So hope you have a lot of background noise. Let me put the crickets and chirping birds and bullfrogs. You know.
There's trains coming by, stuff that matters
Yeah.
nothing to the video.
Cars honking instead of my trying to fill my lungs.
Yeah. This is my first time doing a video on a hike with this camera. It's a little harder than you think. It's a lot heavier. So you can see the town of Placitas down there.
That's East Placitas.
Oh yeah, well so it goes, yeah so it goes. Oh,
Made it.
sweet little moon, there may be storms. Yeah, let's take a chance, showing on the boats. Yeah, go and crash that car, unplug that phone. Sell your belongings, all them clever drawings. Try to make $1 from the grave. Yeah, sell them belongings, all them clever drawings. Yeah, try to make $1 from the grave.
You guys having fun?
Yeah, there's a cave up there.
Yeah. Do you know the history of the cave?
No. Are we supposed to go in the hole? Are we supposed to go in it?
You can go in it. The oldest man on record was found here until I think it was 1982.
Oh wow. What?
And then they found the one in Cradle Life in Africa that beat it. So that's why it's called the Sandia Man Cave.
Wait. Can you go in the hole? Can you
Yeah.
go in the deep hole part?
Yeah, it goes in maybe 15 feet, and that's about it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can we do it?
Yeah.
After the wall that they have built, like.
I haven't been up here in like 20 years, but they used to just dead end, you know.
Oh yeah, they like it, there's like a wall,
what's your
like, little halfway
name?
wall, and then it looks.
I'm Rob. What's your name?
Can't remember bubble.
So are you supposed to like drop in the hole? Wait, is there a way to get in?
Oh, I don't know. No, they blocked it so people can't get hurt. Yeah.
We don't want to just stop throwing rocks.
But no, it has a lot of history. So look it up when you go home because they have a whole bunch of information on who the Sandia Man
Gosh,
was.
please stop doing that.
I'm just trying to make it through like
No,
the table.
Well, have fun.
Right on.
Yeah.
Thank you for the
We have a
information.
YouTube site,
Oh, okay.
and we're making a recording. We're going to do a little bit about the history.
Oh, cool.
And now that we've talked to you guys, is it okay we post you on our?
Charlie.
We don't have any. We don't have. Oh, there he goes.
We just mainly do adventures through Albuquerque or through New Mexico. So we show off like the mountain ranges and places you can go and get out.
And him talking to the kids was a good thing.
Oh yeah, that was awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, we're fine with that.
It's fun, guys.
Yeah, but who's still playing? Oh yeah, well so it goes. Oh so it goes. So them city boys in country clothes.
All right? Yeah, that was easy.
All them enemies and debts, well, they'll just chase you out and give you sour dreams. Yeah, try to forget all them enemies and debts, so they'll just chase you around and give you sour dreams.
Sandia Man Cave.
Let's see. Oh, look at that. They have brick.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be fun to climb through, though. So how far back would you say they did? See, I remember going back to there.
Yeah, I can't remember how far back, but they've done some excavating in here because you had to crawl.
Yeah.
Maybe it's at the end of this where you had to crawl. I can't remember. And again, we only had candles when we came out.
Well,
We didn't have flashlights.
that was ancient times.
Yeah. Yeah, we knew the guy that lived here. He was our next door neighbor.
Was his
That's why it was ancient times.
Yeah.
That's how we learned how to barbecue. But we improved it a little bit. Instead of holding the meat over the fire, we got a stick. That's all long ago.
Did you have to call him Mr. Ugg or Ugg?
UGGIE.
Uggy? Oh, you're that close, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah, UGGIE.
So, and just for perspective, how tall would you say? Well, there's some. This roof is over our head, probably 6 foot. 6.5 feet.
Well, it undulates, but you could.
Oh, let me see that.
This being the entrance, you could walk in here without really having to bend over too much. And that entrance is actually a perfect entrance because it's a restriction there for the cold air coming in, rain,
Yeah.
snow,
Yeah.
animals. So they could cover that up with they could cover that up with furs and stuff to block off the air. Of course, they'd have to have holes so that the fires, because in here, if you look at it in the right light, there's a lot of soot from fire.
Well, yeah, there's still soot.
Well, I think a lot of this stuff that you're looking at in here is spraying protective.
Oh.
I'm not sure, but look at that. Somebody did a petroglyph right there. You see that?
I'll check that out. We do have some experience in places like this, don't we?
Yes, we do. You and I did a caving expedition with a spelunking outfit that was part of the UGGIE.
Here, let me see that real quick. I'll just.
And we were invited. They invited me to go, and I said, well, I got a little kid who likes to do that. I don't think you were 13 years old at the time.
No, I was.
You were 13?
Yeah.
And I asked if you could come, and they said, sure. So we got to go on that 2-day expedition, and we went into 3 different caves.
Yeah, Gun Sight, Black Cave.
Yeah, and it's a Gun Sight, Black Cave, and what was that third one?
I'm trying to draw on a blank, but Black Cave is the one we had to climb through a hole in the ground.
A hole in the ground, yeah.
And then Gun Sight was the one where we kind of were rappelling down or going down that cliff
Down
face,
that cliff, yeah.
and then it ended up being the size of a stadium.
Yeah.
You know? In a blizzard, no less. You know.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, let's get back on the trail.
There. They made it. And they have one of the legends that when the Spaniards came out here, they displaced the pueblos in Bernalillo, and they took over the gold mines.
Right.
And they made them as slave labor. See, there goes with some of those trails. Those excavated gold, and they were trying to get them out. And during the 1600s, when the Indians revolted, they attacked this train heading out of the Sandia Mountains, and they killed the mules and the gold bullion in a place, and the description is it's in a stream that goes underground. It's a stream
Right,
and
in
disappears.
a field full of aspens.
In a field full of cottonwoods.
Or cottonwoods. And there's a campsite, so maybe I can point that direction,
Yeah.
not too far up the road, that if you hike about a mile back, you see all these holes that have been dug.
That's the one I'm talking about. Your grandpa Miller dug one of those holes. Your grandpa's dad dug one of those holes.
Yeah.
Because the legend is true. There's a lot of history here.
Yeah, this is a very old part of the world with civilization. You know, people talk about colonialists, the Native Americans, and the whole Spaniard thing, conquistadors were even longer, you know? God, it's the perfect temperature.
Yeah, it is.
At least I think so, because I got an alert from the channel. Yeah. We'll make it over 200, one person at a time. Yeah. Be careful.
Okay, this is Crazy Bear.
And this is Rob.
We wanted to take you up into an area that we've never been. Well, it's not that we've never been. We just haven't taken you up there before. And we want to show you some of the historical sites around our neck of the woods.
So, we went to the Sandia Man Cave, and now we hiked the half a mile back, and we're at the parking lot, and we're going to call it a night. So thanks for joining us on the trail, and look forward to seeing you out there. You have a great afternoon.
Some bad news before we go.
Okay.
I didn't fall, so you're not going to get any excitement out of that. Bad news. We could have gone the other way, but here we are. We made it back to the car. We're safe and sound, and we're getting ready to head on down to but we will see you. Happy adventures.
See ya.